Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this beautiful idea of making paper quilling Kamadhenu cow or the Surbhi cow, which is the Krishna's favorite cow. And I will share each and every step of how to make the face, how to make the body, how to make the legs, attach everything together nicely, and how to decorate this. Isn't it looking super cute and beautiful? And this is very light in weight as well, and you can just stand it like this to decorate your place. So without any delay, let's get started. So first I'm starting with making the body. For this I'm taking 12 strips of 5 mm and making a big tight coil. Here you can use any colors whichever you have left with you, because we are going to color it later. So the strips which are remaining with different colors of packets, you can use those strips in the project. And the tight coil is ready. Just secure the end using glue. Then I am taking my quilling mold and shaping it as a dome. Like this. With the same way I have prepared one more dome of the same size. Now add glue inside both the domes, spread it nicely with brush and allow it to dry. Then to create center body, here I am taking 19 by 5 centimeters white color cardstock. This is 250 GSM cardstock. Then wrapping it around any circular bottle like this to create the pipe kind of shape. It will be the stomach portion, and I am just measuring it according to the inner diameter of the dome. It should fit perfectly inside the dome. Then just add glue and secure it nicely. So here I have wrapped few more papers around this to make it more sturdy. And now on both the sides I am connecting these domes. And the stomach is ready. Then I am starting with making the leg. For this, here I am taking one strip of 5 mm and just wrapping it around the paintbrush and making one cone shape using pencil. Like this. Add glue inside this and allow it to dry. And with the same method I have prepared one more. So we need 2 parts for one leg. Now take the bigger part which we have created and cutting it diagonally like this using scissors after drying the glue. And then I am connecting the leg with the cow. So I have already connected 3 legs and now I am connecting this 4th leg. So the diagonal cut part will come near to the body. Then attaching the bottom part also, and this is done. So 3 legs I have connected with the same method, and the front leg I have created by joining these 2 parts like this in a V shape. Then I am starting with making neck. For this I am taking 3 strips in 5 mm and making one ring shape. Just opening it using quilling mold. Like this. And then here I have already added glue inside this. So this is also done, and also created the face. For this I have prepared these two domes. The bigger one is made using 7 strips in 5 mm and the smaller one is made using 7 strips in 3 mm. So the bigger one is having approximately 2 cm of height and the smaller one is simple, a dome shape, which is made using quilling mold. Now I am joining both the parts together and it will be the face. Then wrapping the 5 mm strip around this joint portion to make it more sturdy and it will give the finished look. And then I am connecting it with the neck. So the face with the neck is ready. Then I am starting with making the ears. For this I am taking 1 strip in 3 mm and making a simple leaf shape. Just add glue on this, and similarly we need one more. And also I prepared 2 horns using half strips in 3 mm. These are simple bended cone shapes. Then taking back the face, and it's time to attach the ears and the horns. And it should look like this. Then I am connecting the face with the body. And this is done. Then here I am making my own textured paste to cover whole cow to make it more sturdy. So for this I am taking your baby powder, little bit of liquid glue, adding white acrylic color into this and then mixing it nicely to create the paste. If you are finding this is more thick, you can add few drops of water. So the nice paste is ready, and now it's time to cover the whole cow shape using this paste. The paste will give you the strength to the body and also it will give the smooth finish so that everything will come together nicely and it will look like the complete body. So just completing it. So this is nicely covered, and now after drying the texture paste, I am covering the whole cow using white acrylic color once again. Like this. Then here I have prepared 4 tight coil domes which are made using 1/1 strips of dark brown color, and it will work like the hoof of the cow's legs. So I am connecting the hoofs on the bottom part of the legs. And also I have prepared the cow's udder in the bottom by using 3 strips dome, and then I am adding these pink color cones as the udders to complete the look. These are made using 1/8 strips in pink color, which is 3 mm strip. So this is done. Then here I am taking total 8 1/4 strips of white color in 3 mm, gathering all together, folding it from center and just twisting it to create the tail. So it should look like this. Then on the end of the tail, I am just adding few black color strips to complete the hair look of the tail. And this is done. Then here I am taking 7 by 4.5 centimeters maroon color cardstock and just putting it on the back side of the cow as the cow's blanket, and also I have attached the tail. And then I am just decorating the blanket using some golden color paper strips. Also adding one fringe golden strip in the bottom, and similarly I have decorated the other side. Then here I have added one cute bell on the neck of the cow, which is golden bell. Then I am coloring the horns using black acrylic color. Also coloring the nose using black acrylic color. Then making eyes using black permanent marker. Similarly making other eye. And here I am adding few stones in silver color to decorate the blanket little more. So the cow is completely ready, and I have decorated the cow little bit more by adding ball chains, stone chains on the neck, decorated the horn. And the cow is looking beautiful. Also I have decorated the bottom part of the legs using golden ball chain, and instead of S-shaped tail I have prepared the tail upside down because the Kamadhenu is calm in the nature, so I have decided to change the direction. But it's all up to you how you want to add. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video, and stay tuned for next part where I will prepare the Krishna. So the cow will come behind the Krishna and it will give the complete Janmashtami look. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.